As we all know, the beach is not only a place for fun and relaxation, but it's also a wonderful spot for some rejuvenating meditation. So grab your towel, find a cozy spot in the sand, and let's dive into a breathing exercise that will help calm our minds and connect with nature. Imagine this. You're sitting on the warm sand, toes buried beneath, and the faint sound of crashing waves filling your ears. Take a deep breath in, feeling the fresh, salty air gently entering your lungs, and release it, letting go of any stress or tension. It's time to be present and embrace the beauty of this moment. Now, let me introduce you to a simple yet powerful breathing technique called ocean breath. This particular technique is inspired by the rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean waves. It's about syncing your breath with the natural rhythm of the beach, which creates a sense of harmony within yourself. Let's get right into it. Find a comfortable seated position, crossed legs, or however feels best for you. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, but if not, simply soften your gaze and fix it on the horizon. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. Feeling the cool air fill your lungs. Hold your breath for a moment at the top and then exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Releasing any tension or worries as you let go. Let's do a few rounds of this together. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the rhythm of your breath mirroring the eyes of the sun as it rises and falls on the rolling waves. Now that we're in the groove, let's talk about the amazing benefits of this breathing technique. First, it helps reduce stress and anxiety by focusing on your breath and syncing it with the ocean's rhythm. You bring yourself into the present moment, letting go of worries and fears. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the second benefits, it promotes a sense of calm and relaxation as you continue to inhale and exhale with intention. Your body starts to unwind and your mind becomes more still. It's almost as if the whole beach is flowing through you. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lastly, for the benefits. This technique improves focus and concentration by directing your attention slowly on your breath. The distractions around you fade away, allowing you to be fully present and attentive. It's like finding the eye of the storm amidst the chaos of your mind. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we reach the end of our meditation, slowly start to deepen your breath. Wiggle your toes and fingers, opening your eyes whenever you're ready. Take a moment to appreciate the serenity that comes from this simple practice, and carry this calmness with you as you continue your day. Remember, my beach-loving friends, the beach is not just for splashing around or sunbathing, but also for nurturing your inner peace. So whenever you need a moment of quiet reflection or a break from the chaotic outside world, come back to this breathing exercise and reconnect with the beautiful harmony of the ocean. That's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed this beach meditation session as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mindful moments by the beach. Until next time, stay grounded, stay present, and enjoy the calming embrace of the waves. Thank you for watching. Peace out.